Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Telegram on your iPhone is stuck on waiting for network and messages won't send or load, this video will walk you through the exact steps to fix the problem. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Now open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. Then turn it off. After that, open the App Store and search for Telegram and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check for a server outage. Before changing any settings, verify if the problem is on Telegram. Open Safari on your iPhone and go to downdetector.com. Type the name of Telegram in the search box. Analyze the graph. A huge spike in the last hour indicates a widespread outage. Read comments. Scroll to the bottom to see real-time comments from other users. If the server is down, then wait until it is fixed. Solution 2. Clear the cache on Telegram. So, open Telegram, then go to Settings. Tap Data and Storage. Scroll up and tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache. That will fix the updating issue. Solution 3. Enable mobile data and background app refresh for Telegram. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Apps. Find Telegram. Tap on it. Make sure background app refresh is on and mobile data toggled on. That's it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to iPhone settings, then go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all network connections. Finally, restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system bugs that may block Telegram's network connection. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.